talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications. So then you come to next step here, you come here to notify me of content I made. Like you click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.